The introduction of OpenAI's ChatGPT has opened Pandora's box of possibilities. The AI-powered chatbot, with its human-like responses, has prompted many developers to work on new use cases with each passing day. The chatbot has pervaded almost every aspect of communication on the internet. From smartphones to web browsers, ChatGPT is increasingly getting integrated into different platforms. Google Chrome, one of the most widely used web browsers, seems to have a plethora of extensions that let users enjoy ChatGPT at their convenience. These extensions are proving to be handy in various ways. As of now, there are many AI-backed extensions currently available on Google Chrome, making it slightly difficult for one to pick. Cast your worries aside. Here's a list of Chrome extensions powered by ChatGPT that you need to try. ChatGPT Writer. This extension allows you to use ChatGPT to write emails or replies based on a few quick prompts. According to the developers, the tool delivers high-quality responses and works on almost all sites. For responding to an email, users need to click on Reply and the ChatGPT Writer icon appears next to the Send button. Tapping on the icon will show a dialog box with the text briefly enter what you want to reply, and a dialog box beneath. Users can enter their prompts such as write a reply in a casual manner and hit the Generate button. This will generate an instant response which users can add to their reply. ChatGPT for search engines. This Chrome extension displays ChatGPT responses alongside search results on Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. According to the developers, with this extension users can ask ChatGPT anything, anywhere at any time. After installing the extension, users can search for information on Google in the usual manner. However, now, along with the results, they will be able to see ChatGPT response to their query on the right-hand side of the search results page. YouTube summary with ChatGPT. You no longer need to worry about transcribing hours-long videos on YouTube. This free Chrome extension developed by Glasp uses ChatGPT to generate transcripts and summaries of YouTube videos. After installing the extensions, users will be able to see a transcript and summary box on the top right side of the YouTube page. The extension is a great addition for all those who want to learn faster from YouTube tutorials and save time. One can instantly access the summary of whatever video is playing by clicking the summary buttons on the video thumbnail all the while viewing videos on the platform. Web ChatGPT. This extension augments your prompts by offering relevant results. According to the developers, Web ChatGPT provides relevant web results to prompts on ChatGPT. The extension comes in handy for those seeking accurate conversations with the AI chatbot. Merlin, OpenAI GPT-powered assistant. With this Chrome extension, you can use ChatGPT on search engines, Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Sheets, or simply any website. After installing the extension, select any content and hit Ctrl+M, Windows, and CMD+M, Mac, to access the Merlin box. The tool lets you create replies, summarize content, shorten the text, etc. The developer claims that users can use Merlin box on all Google searches. ChatGPT Prompt Genius. Taking a screenshot of every prompt can be a tedious task, especially copying, pasting, and resizing. ChatGPT Prompt Genius is a Chrome extension that lets you import, share, and save your ChatGPT prompts. Once installed in the browser, users will be able to see options such as download PDF, download PNG, export MD, and share link options in the bottom left corner of the ChatGPT result page. Share GPT. This extension allows users to share and bookmark ChatGPT prompts with just a few clicks. Users will be able to spot a share button under their prompts after installing the Share GPT extension. Clicking on the button will show share and bookmark options. So this is all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, please do like, share and subscribe.